Returning to wealthy coins. Howdy everyone, 20 million Shiba Inu coins. How much will they be worth in the year 2025? SHIB updates. The most recent information indicates that development on the highly anticipated Shibarium is nearing completion. The Shiba Inu team has announced the debut of their Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, which has sparked excitement among crypto enthusiasts. The announcement of the launch of the Shibarium testnet caused the price of SHIB to begin climbing immediately. As more and more investors purchase Shiba Inu in anticipation of the expected boom following the product's introduction, the rising demand for this coin is a contributing factor to its success. The main issue with Shiba Inu depending on the Ethereum blockchain has been designed and developed into Shibarium. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be able to function and grow thanks to the blockchain solution. Consequently, it is a vital utility that continues to increase the Shiba Inu coin's acceptance. What would 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth in the year 2025? We'll be discussing it in this video. Articles on Shiba dogs. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu on January 17 surged by 31.2% in the previous 7 days and 15.2% in the last 24 hours. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, SHIB's price of $0.00012 has had one of the finest days, despite the fact that it is presently placed 13th in terms of market capitalization. Most of the trades for the meme coin happen on Binance and Coinbase, and the 24-hour trading volume increases by approximately 200%. After the market leaders rallies, altcoins typically see large price increases, as seen in past market cycles. Like Ethereum and Bitcoin, maybe because investors are putting their money into smaller assets again after making a profit from larger ones. On January 10, there was a tremendous influx of SHIB tokens into exchanges, with over 14 trillion tokens deposited, according to statistics from CryptoQuant. Given today's price increase, it seems like holdings could be better put to use opening derivative positions than of selling them on the spot market. Nonetheless, long positions could start to liquidate, leading to increased volatility if the present SHIB price actions are based on the futures market. Shibarium, the Layer 2 networks developed by the Shiba Inu team, will run on Ethereum, the company said earlier this week. Some people view Shibarium as a tool to drive up prices, although that is not and has never been the initiative's objective, as the developers admitted in its blog post introducing the idea. Instead, the group claims that the efficiency and speed of the ecosystem's token transactions will be much improved by its new Layer 2 network. The price of Shiba Inus has risen dramatically so far in January. Even so, it's prudent to proceed with care because the perfect bullish indications are not visible on longer periods. The surge of volatility this month has produced numerous lucrative possibilities for day traders, and investors are zeroing in on the Shiba Inu price. The market is taking a short break, and the technical indicators are pointing north, while properly demonstrating grounds for skepticism regarding the uptrend's prospective longevity. Shiba Inu is worth $0.0001037 right now. Weirdness is revealed by the Relative Strength Index (RSI), a tool for gauging trend potential by comparing and contrasting past pivot points. During the most recent upswing, the indicators on the daily time frame reached overbought levels above the 70 level, indicating a clear bullish trend. Regrettably, the increase had little effect on the weekly RSI. A concealed bearish divergence is shown by the spike, which stays in the neutral zone. The market's early bulls may be subtly signaling their impending liquidation as they paddle towards a waterfall. If this is so, the current SHIB price might fall 25% from its previous high of $0.000800 EOSD if the recent genesis point fails to hold. Even more intriguing is the possibility that the smart money will assess the future rally potential of SHIB at the liquidity level above the hidden bearish divergence. Shiba Inu's market value might climb by 75% if the price breaks out over $0.0001516, which would put an end to the negative thesis and pave the way for a rally to the August high at $0.0001793. On January 15, 2023, many people praised Shiba Inu in the comment thread, with some even going so far as to say it was better than Dogecoin, the original meme token that was created as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. There appears to be no indication of a market reversal at this time, as SHIB continues its solid upward movement. The sudden surge in value is likely related to recent announcements regarding Shibarium and its inclusion on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu may have been preparing for a breakout as well. For over 4 days, it has been consolidating at the 200-day moving average. This consolidation may have served as an accumulation period leading up to today's breakout. But according to his previous tweets, David Gokhshtein only has Doge and Shiba Inu. Assuming the current price momentum remains dominant in the market, the burning volume is expected to continue rising. The San Francisco-based exchange's Japanese subsidiary, OKCoin Japan, extended support for the second-largest meme coin by market capitalization value in early December. Bearish trends persist, and the market is not expected to do much, according to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. Recovering from this tendency can be a lengthy process for the sector. According to many experts, a massive crypto winter is still on the horizon. While some claim that investors will soon see better days, price targets of $0.0000269 could be surpassed with additional push from projects like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs. But normal market forces such as buying and selling may push the price as high as $0.0000185. Lastly, if negative trends continue, the price could drop to $0.0001002 Retail and luxury businesses are starting to adopt it more and more, which might lead to worldwide fame and an influx of wealthy consumers. The surge effect is most noticeable in the order of retail and investor shares, then whales, which currently account for the vast majority. However, merchants' volume assistance has been increasing consistently. As a result, the SHIB price could reach $0.0000361 if buyers step up their orders. However, the price could drop as low as $0.0000305 due to dwindling SHIB statistics and low volumes. With both bullish and bearish targets in mind, $0.0000250 would be a good starting point for the average price. It is believed that SHIB will see exponential growth over time, provided that the creator's ambitious plans materialize and the platform becomes a prominent participant in the metaverse. The possible landing price of SHIB is $0.0000437. On average, SHIB might trade for $0.0000377 if the market responds as expected with buyers and sellers. Concerns about false positives and unfavorable feelings could lead to a price drop to $0.0000318 if investors are unable to maintain the digital asset's liquidity on exchanges. The fact that the Shiba Inu price prediction has fallen more than 87% from its all-time high of $0.0000845 is disappointing. On the other hand, if the bulls join the Shiba Inu price rally, Coinpedia predicts that the cryptocurrency might reach a realistic high of $0.00025